Alright, these wee ones have been confined to the laundry room while they're learning to use the potty. Yes, so it makes their little messes easier to clean up, and most of them are getting it right. Although we still have one that is not getting it. Oh, look who's found a cozy spot. Did you find a cozy spot? They have all sorts of crevices they can get into. Some of them like to wedge up here on top of the buckets. Look at that little face. Did you find a cozy spot? Yeah? Somebody else is back there. Now, we're going to open the door and let them play outside. They get to play outside a little bit every day. Oh, there's Mama. She's waiting for him. Whoop! Out one goes. Woo! There they come. Right out the door. These little ones. Let's see. I think we're 6 weeks old today. Are you 6 weeks old today? I think that's where we're at. Yeah. So since they've been discovering food, we've been learning to use the litter box, spending a little bit of time outside every day, although they haven't yet wandered far from the back step. Yes, good morning. They are precious. What'd you find? Something interesting. Oh, bug. Hi, wee one. They are ready to come out and play. Are you ready to come out and play? And they will play for a while, spend some time with Mom, and then they'll be ready to go back inside for a nap. Yeah?